2013 Subaru Outback Limited. White with black trims. Aluminum alloy wheels. Rear bumper protector. Rear cargo mat with cargo screen cover. Tinted windows. Nice well kept tan leather. Wood grain trims. All weather floor mats. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Power driver's seat. Heated front seats. Free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Premium Harman Kardon audio system. Hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, auto headlights. Just over 95,000 miles. And we've got a sunroof as well. Come by and see us at AU Cars.